Hey guys, I just want to talk to you a little bit about Ichimoku. I'm trading Ichimoku from a couple of reasons. So I was mentioning to you, I was trying different indicators and different systems in the past, and to me, what worked was using price action and coupled with Ichimoku. And I'll actually prove it to you why. Uh, why Ichimoku? First of all, I think this tool it's quite well built in a way that is giving you level of support and resistance, main level of support and resistance that you should take account of. But as well, is giving you a picture of where the market is going, and either we are overbought or oversold. You can see that with other indicators, of course you can, but to have to keep the charts you know uh, not cluttered and light, and to give you a better excuse me, a better view wherever the market is going. I believe that in my own opinion, Ichimoku it's achieving that quite well. Just showing to you, right? Of course you're aware. You've seen plenty of videos on YouTube. I'm 100% sure you did about Ichimoku, and there is plenty material out there. I just want to show you quickly how that worked for me and why did I choose this tool. So for example, here you see this very nice and beautiful support and resistance level. You see that, for example, and actually has been respect again. You guys know that I hate going back in the future and show it to you this and show it to you that, but just to make a point of Ichimoku tool, it does work though. Again, it does work most of the time, not all the time. And for example, people are saying, and actually the tool, it says that, oh, this is the only tool who's actually has a projection in the future. Is actually not true, guys. I mean, come on, uh, we don't project anything in the future. You can see here, it's only showing you, for example, in the future. This is a level of support, projected from this level up here, or here as well. Or here as well, you can see it. So we don't project nothing in the future. Okay, let's be honest here. But yes, I mean, it is a good tool that it's showing you, at a glance where the main level of support and resistance are, and you should respect that. Do they work all the time? No, they don't. So I just want to spend a little bit of time talking about Tengen-sen, and Kijun-sen, you know, and you can see that actually at a glance you can see whether is this market overbought or is it oversold. Um, of course, you can see that with other indicators, yes. And again, that does not mean anything, guys. I mean, a market could stay overbought for a long period of time, and if you bet against it, you bet short, you lose. So until you see what you want to see, don't bet against the market and say, oh, this pair is overbought. Let's short. That can go ahead for months at the end, and you will never be able to make a good win. So again, you could see when the Tenkan-sen and Kijun-sen are really big apart, then that should be you should start thinking, saying, okay, I think I'm gonna try to hunt a sell here, and wait for the right moment to make that sell. But try to be unbiased, because it is very easy to set up your mind on, I'm gonna share this. Sorry, I'm gonna short this pair just because the market is overbought. No, no, don't do that. Just wait to see what you want to see. Little bit about the cloud. So I talk about support and resistance. I talk about, oh yeah, Chiku span. You see this line here again. This is nothing new, guys. This is a projection of this price, but pushed in the past. So again, doesn't really mean that much. But sometimes you should look at it. Why is that? Because, for example, here, uh, you know the you know the theory behind is that when Chikuspan is within the price, we should stay away because the market, might be chopping. Sometimes it's true, sometimes it's not, though. But it's good to keep account of this. For example, right here, you could see you don't even need Chikuspan to tell you that. Okay, guys, you look, we have a double top here. You can see that here, and then the market tried to go down, but we did not succeed. So then we continue up, engulfing candle they go up. But so you would see that in the Chico span too. You see the price, so it's actually showing you at that time that you are above the price. Chico span is above the price, so giving you a bit of a green line. Okay, you can go ahead and look and consider going and take long trades. So again, it's a matter of looking at the markets. Yes, it's good to have it there on your chart, just to give you indication where the market is, but you wouldn't really need to see that, right? You can see by yourself. Um, and again, I was mentioning I like to trade the crossing of Tenkan-sen and Kijun-sen. Why is that? Because it generates quite a powerful signal, sorry. And this is an example of that, and some other examples that we'll find out together in the future. Um, so now that's pretty much it what I want to tell you about Ichimoku, and you'll find a lot of material online. Just trying to focus on what I think is more important. You don't need to know details about what this represents, and even how is it called. You just need to understand and look at a glance, and you understand where the market is. Is this an opportunity for me to trade? Is it not? Maybe not. I don't know. Let's just pick another example for example's sake. Um, this is a USD card on daily time frame. Again, you see when the price is under the cloud, then it has a bigger chance of succeeding your short trade succeeding. So we can see, for example, we have a cross here, and then you might start thinking, okay, guys, now is the moment to start considering opening a short trade. And you will see, look at the Chico span, for example, here. It only went outside the price around this area. Actually, you don't even have to look at it, but you can see this is quite a triple. We have a good level of support here. 3 or 4 times we hit this level, and then we went short. But would you, what time, at what level would you go short? For example, in this situation, yeah, look at the Chiku span. So it's going under the price around here, I believe. That's not so important, but you wouldn't enter a short trade against the support, right? Um, yes, you sometimes you would, and it depends again of the lower time frames, and we'll talk about that in a future video. uh, Again, you could wait for this candle to close, and actually would be a safer bet for you, right? um, yes, you can do that, and you can trade that, but who is to say that the price does not will not turn back and take you out? Again, nothing is 100% in trading. So we can pick a lot of examples, guys, if you like. So that is pretty much it what I want to say about Ichimoku. It's a good tool, guys, and it's decluttering your charts. It's light, and it's giving you a picture of the market where it's running, and which direction is going at one glance. Is it overbought? Is it oversold? Are we trading? Where are we? Is there any opportunity out there? For example, right here you see this nice, beautiful rejection. It's giving you these nice points of support and resistance. Again, not even support resistance that they do not work all the time, but still is good to consider them. Uh, so that's pretty much it I want to talk about Ichimoku. So any other examples I could pick, but I think that's not so important. I think you guys got a point, and this is the way I'm trading, and so far I'm encountering a good success to this system. So I'll share with you my trades, and see where we take it from there. Thank you. Have a great day. Bye.